the Attorney General decided to quote the Bible and stayed away from the issues. Because, any answer he gives can be used against him in court. And because he knows he's guilty, he stayed away from the subject. And in court, he refused to even do what cross-examine the third accused. That is why when Japa raised the issue, he refrained from saying, because you know something, Attorney General didn't say he's guilty and he's a criminal. So the only thing he can do now is that Japa has enough evidence. Now, question Ebusa, I don't know. You've heard about the audio and all that what Japa said in court. What do you say to that? He could have said, all that you have heard is a lie. So Attorney General Onye Kromfua, he could have just said, all that you have said is a lie. But he knows that when he goes out there to tell Ghana for say, all that Japa is saying and all the things you have said of seen is a lie. No? He knows Japa has more. And that statement can be used against him in court. He can be questioned by Japa's lawyers to say, Attorney General, you said the question that was posed to you was that the audio and the text messages, did it come from you? You said that it was a lie. So now, under oath, these evidence before you, can you prove that it wasn't you? So because he knows he's guilty, that is why he played that trick. If the Attorney General wasn't guilty, he would have answered the question that everything that you've seen in the system, heard, I can tell you as the Attorney General of Ghana, with the record and the track record I have, I understand the ethics of my job, the boundaries, and where and what I need to do. Whatever you have heard, whatever tape has been played, whatever text message you have read, it is a lie. You walk. But the Attorney General, who is the Minister for Justice, is scared to say whether it's a lie or not. So as foolish as we are and as stupid as Ghanaians are, he quotes the Bible and walks and limps away. He quotes the Bible and limps away. All because, Jimmy, some people will use that to protect a criminal. But you think if the Attorney General had a tape on somebody and that person made a statement using the Bible and a quotation from the Bible, what do you think the Attorney General will say? Attorney General will say, we are doing law here. We are trying to make sure the law is applied. Whatever you know in the Bible does not, at the end of the day, change the laws. Attorney General does not want to be caught. And he knows he has been caught. He's a thief. He's a disgraced, limping Attorney General. Judge Sewa Yene Ghana for Yene Yajuni Ejuma Yene Tuaoka. The power of the people. The power of the people is dangerous. And I know you know more than I know. As somewhere down, it can break this country, this matter. It can destroy the democracy of this nation. Our governance structure, this ruling, this bending of the law by the Attorney General, and we behaving as if, say, as ostriches. We don't know what is happening. And you see, sometimes Adiebesi, in a country where democracy has been trampled upon and people are using it as a weapon against its citizens. Baby, I any was say a betija and tija o. Baby, I need say betija and I heard a betija. And the money is dangerous. Baby, I again say a betima tija amanto kwesi amakruna seno. A honen tija o. They won't expect to say ebema krona tijano. And these are some of the things a bit must say Ghana. Our governance system, it can destroy our democracy. I'm telling you. So I keep saying, Madam Judge, you are Ghanaian before a judge. When this country go down or goes down, you go down as well. We are all in it. Let's all do our part to make sure the rule of law at the end of the day is always paramount. And then paramount. Because it does not matter when the country Ghana goes down, it does not respect judge. It does not respect president. It does not respect who is a Christian or who is a Muslim. It does not respect who is the Attorney General. Let us protect this country with honesty. If this statement from Jakpa had come from the Attorney General, I know the reaction from Madam Judge, you would have been different. Let us treat everybody equally before the law. The law is blind. Let us treat everyone equally. The man is just asking for one thing. The Attorney General has committed a crime. He wants to swear an oath. He just wants the Attorney General to answer. Is that too much for a Ghanaian to ask? This is the Ghana that our forefathers put together, put a constitution together, put a nation together so that we can all live in here, respect each other's right, use the same law to protect each other, use the same laws to defend this nation. We cannot be selective because of our position. We cannot be selective because of people's party affiliation. We have to make sure the law applies irrespective of who is in front of it. Jakpa is not asking for too much. Jakpa is asking for the law to work. And your job is to sit and allow the law to work. My name is Kevin Akobedu Taylor. After this short break, I'll pick calls.